Let's see how to build Spanish AI chatbot using the power of OpenAI ChatGPT. So this simply works for the other languages as well. For example, if you want to build an AI chatbot for Portuguese or Chinese or even for any other language out there, you have to simply follow the same procedure which we are going to follow for the Spanish AI chatbot. So let's get started over here. So to build an AI chatbot, you need to have some sort of knowledge base. So that particular knowledge base should be about a particular kind of business, so where you can have information about some sort of introduction about the business, and you can have some sort of frequently asked questions, and also you can have the contact information along with the opening hours as well. So this is just a basic knowledge base or chatbot business information which we can use for an AI chatbot. So in this case, if we are planning to build the AI chatbot for the Spanish, or if you are planning to build the Spanish AI chatbot, then you have to create all these information in the Spanish language. So here we have the Spanish version of the same business information right here. So we are going to use this particular information as a knowledge base or chatbot business information, so that it can simply use this particular information to answer any sort of questions asked by the customers. So let's see how to build one over here. So here I'm in a demo icon with these channels connected. So first of all, you have to make sure you have the OpenAI connected. So here, go to the settings over here. So let me click on settings right here. And in settings, if you click on integrations, you have the option to connect your OpenAI ChatGPT over here. So here you have to get the API keys. So if you are wondering how to get your API keys, click on Help Center over here, which will help you open all the helpful guides about our platform. So here, choose OpenAI ChatGPT, and here you have to click on this link, which will take you directly to the OpenAI account where you can easily grab your API keys and paste it right here. So once it is connected, you can simply edit it as well. So let me show. So here, business information or prompt, and here you have the option to choose whatever the models you want. So here, if you want to go with GPT-4 or GPT-4 Turbo, you can do that, but let's choose GPT-4o model, which is the cheaper and also the fastest model. And here you have to add your prompt right here. So let's simply copy the information we have over here in the Spanish. So here, this is the information. So let me simply copy this particular information we have right here and simply paste it right here. Alright, so we have actually pasted that particular business prompt or knowledge base in the Spanish version, and here we have to say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company, and let's say respond to customers' questions in just 1 to 2 sentences. So here we can also add this prompt in the Spanish itself as well. So let me use the translate option right here and simply copy this one and replace this one with this Spanish version over here. And here, AI triggers. So by default, you will see connect user to human. So that means if a particular customer talk with the AI chatbot, and at some point if they want a human help, or if they have some sort of complex inquiries where they might actually need a human help when the AI chatbot responses are not satisfiable for them. So in that case, they can actually, if they actually message your business asking how can I talk to a human, or if the intent of their message is to talk with an agent or a human, then the AI chatbot will be paused for a moment, and the particular chat will be automatically transferred to the human as well. So by default, you will see this active on your account. If you don't want to have that connect user to human AI trigger, you can simply remove this one as well. And here you can choose the model and set the temperature along with the tokens as well, and click continue. Alright, and make sure you have this automated response switched on, so that when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will simply use whatever the business information we have right here to answer the customer's questions. Alright, we have already switched on as well. So we can quickly test this one, how this actually works. So let me share my phone screen right here, and let's see how this actually works over here. So let's ask a simple question right here. So their opening hours are from 9 to 5 p.m. on Mondays to Fridays. So let me ask a question. So let me ask about opening hours. So let me type here opening hours over here, and let me simply copy this information. So let me open Instagram over here and ask this question. So let me paste this one and ask, and let's see how this actually respond to us over here. And it simply says it's 9 to 5 p.m. from Monday to Friday. So likewise, let's ask the address as well. So here, where are you located? So let me copy this one, open Instagram and paste it right here. So here, let's see how this actually respond to us, and it simply respond to us with the address right here. So here, in this case, the chatbot is simply responding us in the Spanish over here. So let me ask a question in English. So let me ask what is the address over here and see how does it actually respond to us over here. So usually it simply respond to us in English. Suppose if you want to handle all the chats in the Spanish only, then you can simply add a simple prompt right here. So let me add this one. Always respond to the customer's request in Spanish language only. So here I have added a simple prompt saying you have to respond only in the Spanish prompt, Spanish language only. So now let me click continue over here. Alright, it's now saved again. So now if we test this one, how this actually works. So let me ask the same question. What is the address? Now it should send us a response back in the Spanish only, because we have added a prompt saying you have to respond only in Spanish. So as you see here, instead of English, even though I ask the question in the English, it simply respond to us in the Spanish as well. So now let's see how this connect user to human works. So it simply transfer the conversation to a human or agent if the intent of the customer's question is to talk with an agent as well. So first of all, we can actually track all these conversation in our omnichannel inbox as well. So let me show that omnichannel inbox right here. So let me open that in a new tab as well, so that you can actually understand it better. So here, this is the omnichannel inbox, and this is the Instagram account we are currently testing over here, and these are the back and forth responses the chatbot actually sent. And as you see here, the bot is active is over here. So now if we actually ask a question, I want to talk to an agent. So here you see bot is active is here. It should actually transfer it to a human over here. And as you see here, the bot is active is gone, and we received this sort of response saying the conversation is actually transferred to human agent, and one of the human agent will assist them as soon as possible. And here, if we go to the human folder right here, we can track that particular chat over here. If we go to the bot folder, we cannot actually find it, and a human agent can easily jump in and talk with the customer from this omnichannel inbox right here. And here, even after this particular chat is assigned to the human folder, even if the customer send any sort of messages right here, it doesn't respond because the chat is actually assigned to the human folder right here. So it doesn't create any sort of AI chatbot responses there. So here, let's say as a human folder or as a human, you can simply respond to the customer over here. So let me add some sort of emojis right here and send it to the customer, and customer will simply receive the message right here as you see here. So that's a quick video on how to create Spanish AI chatbot. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.